Hey there, welcome back. So I'm out here in my garage shop and I wanted to show off my Bora Portamate Speed Horses. I got these for Christmas last year. I haven't had a ton of opportunity to use them, but they're pretty slick. And today I've got some plywood and some insulation. I need to cut the insulation. So I thought I'd just go ahead and demo these so you can see how easy they are. There's one little button right here. So I'll push that. Make sure your legs are locked in up top here. That's it. So cool thing with this is there's a pocket here that I can put a 2x4 in, which we're going to show you here in just a second. So I'm going to set one right here. Basically turn this into a 4x8 table if you want. You can also, it's got holes where you can screw down a 2x4 on the top to keep from tearing it up. But it is that easy. And then I've got some 2x4s already cut, not quite 4x8. Those are going to slide right into this pocket here. If you put the board across the top there, you'll have a level surface all across. Those slide right in. Like I said, I still need to screw down 2x4s there on the top, but you don't really have to have them. There you go. Now you have a table that easy. So I want to show though real quick how quickly they go back apart. In the edges here, there's a lever. I'm just going to pull that. Tuck that back in. There's also an additional, whoops. Looks like I might have hit my button there. I didn't click far enough in. There we go. Now it's clicked. There's also on each of these legs an extra material support that you can put there. So another 2x4. And this model here does not have the extendable legs. The other one does. But that's it. Nice and lightweight. Easy to deploy. That's what I like about it the most. That quick. Go back to setting up our 4x8 sheet of. So that's the Bora Speed Horse. That's the 4500. There's a 4550 that has the adjustable legs on it. Thanks for watching.